Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. If it's electric, it's got a gear. Manufacturers who need a gear manufacturing partner who delivers premium products on time rely on Fairlane gear. Since 1964, Fairlane gear has been driving American industry with finished gears and splines. Based in Kenton, Michigan, the family-owned company is an example of excellence in American manufacturing. As a one-stop shop, Fairlane gear makes complete parts from raw materials. From prototype to finished product and production lots, this cuts costs associated with material sourcing and transportation. They manufacture a wide range of gears and splines for virtually any application. They also produce worm gears, segments, pulleys, and sprockets. How do they do it? With a team of highly skilled craftsmen. With an average of 20 years machining experience, they focus on one thing, getting it right the first time. First piece inspection approval helps maintain that tight quality control. M&M gear and spline analysis, CMM, magnetic particle, temper etch, and other inspection techniques are used to issue a certificate of conformance. The result is that in 5 decades of business, the company has had 0 product failures. Fairlane Gear is the only gear manufacturer in the Midwest with 15,000 square feet of on-site material inventory storage. That means options for production storage for just-in-time delivery for customers whose projects just can't wait. For gears that keep your drives turning, trust the gear experts. Visit their website at fairlane-gear.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.